there, food lovers! With Christmas right around the corner, let's make the perfect mashed potatoes that will steal the show at your holiday dinner. Start with about 2 pounds of your favorite potatoes. I love using Yukon Golds for that buttery flavor. Peel your potatoes, making sure to remove any eyes or blemishes. Don't worry about getting them perfect, just get them nice and clean. Next, cut your potatoes into evenly sized chunks and drop them into a pot of salted boiling water. Cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're tender and a fork slides through with ease. Once they're cooked, drain the potatoes and get ready to mash. Now for the magic. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and pour in about half a cup of warm, heavy cream. The warmth helps everything blend beautifully. Mash those potatoes until smooth, or leave them a little chunky if you like a bit of texture. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder for that extra flavor. Give it a taste and adjust if needed. For a holiday twist, sprinkle in some fresh parsley or chives. This will add color and fresh flavor that everyone will love. And there you have it, creamy, buttery mashed potatoes that will be the star of your Christmas dinner. Serve it with your turkey, ham, or whatever else you've got on the table. I guarantee your guests will be asking for seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Merry Christmas and happy cooking!